Imagine controlling multiple Android phones from your computer without filling your desk with expensive devices, not emulators that feel slow or limited. I'm talking about real cloud-based Android phones that behave just like physical devices. That's exactly what GeeLark is built for. Whether you're a content creator, agency owner, e-commerce seller, or simply someone who spends hours switching between mobile apps, GeeLark makes managing multiple Android devices much easier. Most social media platforms are designed for mobile first. New features usually appear on the mobile app before they reach desktop, and many workflows simply feel more natural on a phone. The problem is, managing several physical phones quickly becomes expensive, messy, and almost impossible to scale. GeeLark solves this by giving you independent cloud Android phones that you can access directly from your computer. Launching one feels just like turning on a real Android device. You can browse websites, install apps with one click, sign into your accounts, and use everything just like a real Android phone, all without juggling multiple physical devices. Need a specific Android version? GeeLark supports multiple versions, so you can choose the one that fits your workflow. Installing apps is simple too. You can use the built-in App Store or upload APK files whenever you need extra flexibility. Since every cloud phone runs independently, you can keep different accounts, projects, and clients completely separate without constantly switching devices. But the feature that impressed me the most is Synchronizer. Instead of repeating the same task over and over again, you perform an action on one cloud phone, and GeeLark instantly mirrors it across multiple devices at the same time. Watching several phones respond to one command is honestly pretty satisfying, and it shows just how much repetitive work this can eliminate for creators, agencies, and businesses. If you want to take things even further, GeeLark also includes powerful automation tools. One feature I didn't expect was the huge library of ready-made automation templates. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can automate everyday tasks like publishing YouTube shorts, posting Instagram reels or TikTok videos, managing multiple accounts, and handling repetitive mobile actions with just a few clicks. It's a simple way to save time, especially if these are tasks you perform every single day. And it doesn't stop there. GeeLark also includes AI-powered creative library, packed with some of today's leading AI models. For image generation, you can use models like GPT Image 2, Nano Banana Pro, and Seed Dream 4.0. For AI video generation, it supports powerful models such as VO 3.1, Kling 3.0, and Halo 2.3, giving you multiple options depending on the style and quality you're looking for. And one feature I really like is the AI editing tool. Simply upload your video and it can automatically create short clips, add subtitles, and optimize your content for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, saving you a lot of editing time. Instead of jumping between different AI tools, you can create content and manage your mobile workflow inside the same platform. So who is GeeLark for? Content creators managing multiple social media accounts, agencies handling client workflows, e-commerce sellers managing stores across regions, teams that rely on Android-based operations. The best part? It brings cloud phones, automation, app management, and AI tools together in one platform. If you want to simplify your workflow, check out GeeLark using the link in the description below.